What up? Yo, what up? This V from Fade and Flow, and we back. This back corner has changed, it's different. We got a new station, we got some boxes, we got some barber chairs in the boxes. We're gonna put them together on our day off.
We're not supposed to.
Oh yeah, you want one hoodies like this? What the hell?
She still doesn't like know everything, you know? She's still kind of testy. There's no pump in there.
Oh wow. Read it.
I can't. Do you see what language it is?
How do you know it's Japanese?
I don't. Is Mandarin? Mandarin's the hardest language to learn, right?
Yeah, that's what they say.
Where do they speak Mandarin?
China, isn't it? China?
Yeah. I don't know.
Thailand, isn't it Chinese too? Mandarin's Chinese, isn't it?
Yeah, Mandarin is Chinese. I might learn to speak Mandarin for all this yen that I'll be handling.
It says that Mandarin is a language with the Chinese language group, and it's actually the most spoken language in the world.
All right.
Alright, you got it?
We got it. Ah! My toe.
I might have to get MacGyver right now.
Kelly, you know who MacGyver is?
You say no? You said no? Oh man.
Who's MacGyver?
Looking good. Want to take the first seat in it?
It's all you.
Oh man, it's pretty good.
Smooth.
Nice. This is good. This feels comfortable.
It's good?
Yeah. Go ahead, try it out. We're currently using it.
Oh yeah. Feels like more solid. I like how the rest goes with it, you know? Okay.
Now we got it done. New barber chair, new station. Ready to go. Who's gonna be the next person that's coming over here? That's the question. Is it gonna be a lefty? Is it gonna be a righty? Is it gonna be a girl? Is it gonna be a dude? We're looking for you at Fade and Flow Barbershop. The next professional that's gonna join the team, we want you right here with us. So you need a chair, you wanna rent a spot, hit us up, 716-844-8768. Follow us on the gram, and you can be right here with us. Gotta be cool. Gotta be cool.